Back to the vlog. So today I'm showing you how to make slime with food. That's kind of weird but kind of not, but I'm really excited to let's go. And it's really good for lockdown as well because you might get bored and this is like a good way to do it as well if you like slime. So I'm not going to show you all of it because I just want to try and like show you at the time, so let's go. So what you need is some marshmallows. So like 3. So then you put them in the microwave for a couple of seconds. Keep checking on them because you don't know if they're gonna, because you don't want them to overflow. And you might need a spoon to mix them up with. So I've got one just in case. So then I'll check on them, just seeing if they're melting, and give them a stir if they're melting a little bit, and check if they're. Oh, that one's melting, so you just give it a little stir, just in case you don't want it to overflow. Might put it in a little bit more, couple more seconds, just seeing if it melts a little bit more. I was just checking on it because I just don't want it to overflow. So, maybe just a couple more seconds. So, yeah, that might be fine now. Yeah, because it's getting a bit melty now, so that'd be good. Just give it a little stir. So I think that'd be fine right now. So what you need is corn flour and icing sugar, and add maybe a little bit of mix it to get all the lumps out, and then add it to the marshmallows when it's melted. So this will turn it into slime. Then give it a little stir. And if it is still sticky at the end, add a little bit of oil and then make it a little bit more not sticky. Just add a little bit of this, and it's like turning into dissolved slime, and you can eat it at the end if you want to. It's kind of strange eating slime with food. It's kind of, but it's kind of really cool. Leave your comment down below if you like the idea of it. If you want me to do any more designs of making it as well. So. Get the spoon with this one. It's enough. So then you might have it like this, and you can pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast or something. You can add more marshmallows or anything like that. You don't have to do the same as me. You can do anything you want, or you can copy me. It's up to you guys. Just carry on adding a little bit more each time, or you can add a little bit of oil now if you want. I might add a little bit in a minute if it keeps being sticky, and you could knead it in a minute. Might add a little bit of oil now. So just add a weeny bit. That's enough, I'm guessing. So, and then you just add a little bit of that. I'm just getting a little bit of kneading with my hands. You can go in there any time and you can try and get all the lumps out. Like with glue if you had a little bit of lumps or something like that. So I'm going to give it a little knead now. You can add sprinkles and everything like that. I can add that in a minute maybe. You can add anything food related. It still will be a little bit sticky, so just keep kneading it and stuff like that. So mine will turn right. Just keep trying and kneading it. You don't need to chuck it away straight away if it's not working. Just carry on kneading it in your hands. It's turning a little bit more, you know, not sticky. So I'm carrying on just kneading it along. So yeah, it's kind of finished now, so I'm going to try a little bit for you guys. Oh, it tastes really good, guys. I like it. It's just a really nice combination. So if I keep playing with it a lot, I'm not going to eat it because I don't want to get any stuff in it. So yeah. So I'm going to get the sprinkles a bit over here. Oh, there they are. So you can add anything to it. You can add sprinkles. So I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles in if it'll work. It will still be a little bit sticky, guys. Just keep adding the ingredients. So I'm going to put it on the table and add a little bit of this. Add a bit more of this. Doesn't matter if you get it wrong, because it's not, my one's not wrong, but it's kind of a little bit sticky still, so just carry on kneading it and then it might will work. So guys, that's it today. So massive thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, my hands are really sticky now. So if you want to see any more videos making other kinds of slimes, leave comments down below in the comment section. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Okay, bye. Mwah.